Hey you guys, we got 3 inserts this week. I have the Smartsource, the Save, and the P&G. I am going to start off with P&G. Before we get into it, let me let you all know that this P&G has no laundry inserts in it, no coupons for laundry at all. I will be getting those in the mail this week. So, first page has nothing. Second page, Olay. 5-on-1 Olay Regenerist, $2 off 1 facial moisturizer, $1 off 1 facial cleanser. Herbal Essence, $4 off 2. Head & Shoulders has a $3 off 2 blue bottles and $1 off 1 white bottles. We have a $1 off 1 Crest or Scope mouthwash. We also have a $2 off 1 Oral-B mouthwash. We have a $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, selected brands on there. We have a $1 off 1 Fix-It. We have $2 off 1 twin pack or triple pack. $2 off 1 Burt's Bees. Always a good coupon at CVS. $5 off of 3 Pantene. $1 off 1 Always. $1 off 1 Tampax. We have a $1 off 1 Vicks Vapo. We have $2 off 1 Vicks Dayquil NyQuil or Formula 44 product. We have a $1 off Puffs Facials 1 pack and 1 Vicks Sinex product. So you have to buy both of them to get the $1 off. We have $5 off 2 Always Discreet, 25 cents on Charmin, 25 cents on Bounty. Advertisement. We have a $1.50 off 1 Z-Quill or Pure Z's. We have a $1.75 off of the Stress Balls product, $2.50 off of the Nervive product. We have $2 off of the Prilosec OTC, $1 off Metamucil, 50 cents on Pepto. If you guys hear Santiago, I took him outside, so he's barking at somebody walking by or an animal. $3 off 1 box of Pampers or Easy Ups. 50 cents on 2 Pampers Wipes, $3 on 1 box or 2 bags of Lugz. We have $10 off 1 Venus Radiant Skin Starter Kit. We have $5 off 1 Venus Pubic Hair and Skin Regimen product. We have $3 off 1 Venus and $3 off 1 Gillette. Pretty good, people, pretty good. Over here, we have a $1 off 2 Olay bar soaps, it looks like, 4 count or larger. The body wash, the rinse off, body conditioner, liquid hand soap, or hand and body wash lotion. We have a $1 off 2 Old Spice product. We have $3 off 2 Old Spice Gentlemen's. And we have a buy 1 Old Spice body wash and get $3 off any 1 body spray. Pretty good, people. We have a $1 off 1 Secret Dry Spray. That is a nice looking bottle. That must be the new ones. We have $2 off 1 Secret Clinical or Gillette Clinical. Then we have a $1 off 2 Secret Fresh, Secret Outlast, Secret Aluminum Free, or the Gillette Clear Gel. We have a $1 off 1 Cascade Action Packs, 30 count or larger. $1 off 1 Cascade Rinse, 50 cents off the Cascade 4 count or larger. Told you I didn't have any of these, but here go the values of them so everyone can see the values have gone up this month. But again, I'll have the ones with the actual coupon in it later on this week. I have a $1 off 1 Microban All-Purpose or Bathroom Cleaner. I have a $1 off 1 Microban Sanitizing Spray. I have a buy 1 Febreze product and get 1 Febreze product free up to $3. Dun, 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 dun. This goes good with today's sale, but if you got rain checks, baby, every store I went to, I promise you, I've been going to different stores every day this week. I've only been able to get 2 power washes, and all of the other bottles were the regular Dawn Ultra. I think it's like a 40-ounce bottle. So that's all I've been able to find. Rain checks it is on this product here. But when this one here comes out, this Gain, you see that? I gotta try that. But anyways, as the coupon reads, buy one Dawn Power Wash, get or a Gain Power Blast, and you get one free up to $3.99. Back page, $1 off one Swiffer, 50 cents off one Mr. Clean, $1 off any one Mr. Clean mop, and then 50 cents off of the Dawn wipes. If anyone has tried these, please put them in the comments below. I don't know if these are like with soap or just like a disinfectant wipe or what it is, but I'm curious to know. Also, where you find it at. I'm quite sure Walmart may have it, so that's what I'm gonna try first. Moving along, the video is gonna be kind of long because it is 3 inserts, but these last 2 inserts are very thin. So here we go. Buy one, get one free. Buy any one Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Glass Hair Water product and get a Garnier shampoo or conditioner free up to $4.49. And this is what it looks like. And supposedly before and after. Then you have $5 off of 2 Garnier Fructis Treat Shampoo. I haven't ever used these here because I can never find them. But this one and this one I've used. Good. Over here we have the $3 off one Centrum. $3 off one Centrum 50 count or larger. $1.50 off Advil. $1.50 off any product. That's the only one. $1.50 off Snuggle, any one. $2 off any in-wash booster. Let me tell you, these here, these little bags, Kroger had them for $1.99. We were killing them here in Georgia. Yes, we were. When they had the $2 insert, Kroger had these, $1.99. The Mighty Packs, we were killing them here too. Buy 5, save 5. If you got a Kroger, you take advantage of those deals. Moving along, $1.50 off one bag of cat food, 3.15 ounces or larger. Over here we have $3 on one Gentle Tears and $3 on any one Nafun. What is that? Nafcon A eye drops. I'm sorry. Over here, $3 off any one Vasilor. Okay, advertisement. Last page. $2 off any Vicks Dayquil Super C Convenience Pack or Vicks NyQuil Super C Convenience Pack. That's it for the save. On to the Smartsource. Here we go. $4 off one Schick disposable or Skintimate disposal. $4 off one Schick Hydro or Quattro Titanium razor or refill. And then the $4 off of the Hydro Silk Intuition Quattro for women or Skintimate razor or refill. Lord knows I need to go ahead and refill my stockpile. I am like definitely low on those. All of you Nutella lovers, I can't stand hazelnut, but a lot of people love this stuff here. $1.25 off of any one jar, 7.7 ounces or larger. My baby Jenny loves this stuff. Colgate, 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 Colgate. They're all $1 off. $1 toothpaste, $1 toothbrush, $1 mouthwash. Irish Spring, smelling clean. Save $1 on any one Irish Spring body wash. $1 on any one 6-pack soap or larger. Then you have these beautiful gold bonds, $3 off 2, $2 off of 1. Finish is $2 off of any one Finish Quantum. $1 off any Jet Dry 3-in-1. And $1 off any Finish dishwasher cleaner. I just put one of these in my dishwasher yesterday, refilled it with this, and threw that in the cleaner. Then Duracell, $1 off one Duracell Optimum and 75 cents on the coin batteries, 2 packs of large ones. Back here's Miss Clara with her $5 off of 2 and her $2 off of 1. That is all that I have for you all this week. So this is what I've been working on. I've got to get rid of all my, well, not rid, but I got to get some more shelves and stuff. If anybody knows where I can get some good shelving from, because right now I have it with in different rooms, on the floor, just all over the place. I got a lot to do. Anyways, yeah, see, this was what I was talking about. This was the size that I could only find. And then I got one apple and one of the regular blue ones, which I don't know where it's at right now. But I got all of Mr. Clean right there. And the Dawn is somewhere else. You all see this bottle right here? This right here, if you find it at your CVS, right now they're on clearance for $1.49. There's the UPC. Also, they have the Fabuloso, I want to say, the 22-ounce bottle. Those are on clearance for $2.21 or $2.71, depending what your CVS has on clearance out at. Anyway, that's some of my stockpile so you guys can see. I will catch you guys on the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Again, if you all know where I can get some good shelving at, I have the plastic ones, but I don't like those because they tend to bow when you start putting heavy stuff on them. I don't know if you can tell how that's bowing right there. I don't like that. Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye.